Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. Today I am rocking this long sleek wig and a beautiful lavender and white makeup, and this look was very easy for me to achieve. I only used 2 colors on my lids, you know, and then I just popped on some lashes. All the products that I've used today are from BH Cosmetics, so if y'all want to see how to create this, then go ahead and keep watching. So as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing a full face of BH Cosmetics. Now I'm just gonna skip through the brows because I thought that I did get a brow kit, but obviously I didn't, so I'm just gonna speed up through this part, okay? Using that same brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. So to set that concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Contour and Blush 2 palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here just to set everything in place. Going into the BH Cosmetics and Carli Bybel palette, I'm going to create a soft eye look today. Off with my transition color, I'm going to use this color in my transition area, and I'm going to blend that color out. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade all the way at the end, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Going back into the transition shade, I'm going to take that and I'm going to blend it deeper on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. So next I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to go ahead and move on to the face. And I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics foundation, and this is in the shade 229 Deep Beige. Now when I first tried this foundation, for me it was a little bit too dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder to my face. This will not only help me to balance out the darkness or the red undertones in the foundation, but it will also help my foundation to last longer. Now, a tip for when you're applying your foundation, always apply your foundation in the center of your face and then go ahead and blend outward. Using my 123 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend my foundation into my skin. Now, this foundation is dark and red for me, but we're going to make it work. Highlight my skin today. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a lighter concealer, or I'm just gonna use the same color concealer that I use since my concealer is always light, and we're gonna blend that out and see how it works. Guys, excuse my wig. I didn't go and lay it down today with no got to be glue gel or anything like that, because I just didn't feel like I needed to. So if you do see lace or my wig lifting up, don't worry about it. We're at home. Don't trip, don't clock me, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that where I normally highlight, which is under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I do have a lighter chest, so my face and my chest are almost the same color. My neck is very dark. After I had my son, the color of my neck still haven't changed back to its normal color, so I guess I'm gonna stay with that dark neck area. I don't really like it, but it's nothing to be worried about, you know. So I'm gonna be real with y'all. I hate seeing when people make that face when they do like this to blend. I hate seeing that face. No shade to whoever does that. I just don't like seeing it. I don't know, so I don't do it. What I do notice is that the foundation and the concealer, they do blend in nicely with each other, but the concealer does take a little bit longer to blend in. I don't know if it's because I applied the powder first, but it does take a little bit longer to blend in, and maybe it's also because I'm using a brush instead of my wet beauty blender, so maybe that does have something to do with it. I'm gonna use this yellow shade right here for my highlights. Yeah, this is my contour shade, not my all over face shade. So we're gonna see how this works out. Well, now that I've set my contour and my highlight, I'm just gonna go ahead and use an all over face powder to set all of these powders together. And I do not have any shade that is right for my skin tone from the BH Cosmetics line, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 40. So since we're all done with the face, same thing that I did on top of my lids, that's what I'm gonna do on my lower lid. So the darker purple in the outer and inner corner, and then that light lilac color in the middle. They're not for lips today. I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on my lips, but first I want to line my lips with a light brown lip liner. And I'm gonna use my Dior lip gloss today. You guys have seen me use this product so many times, and I'm just gonna use these two colors today. This one here is much lighter, and I'm just gonna use it very lightly, and I'm going to blend that on my cheekbones, middle of my forehead, my cupid's bow, and down the bridge of my nose. Well, okay, loves, that concludes the look for today. I sure hope that it was easy for you guys to follow along. BH Cosmetics normally have 30% off, 50% off on their makeup, you know, so if you guys can go on over to their website. This video is not sponsored by any means, but I just realized that I have everything in my kit to do a full face of BH Cosmetics. So you know, you guys can go ahead and head on over if you want to purchase this product. I really do love the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette. They do have a second version of it, which is just much bigger, and it has a couple more colors in there, but I'm satisfied with this one. The colors in here are very beautiful. You can create so many looks with these, you know, and I always use the highlighter parts of the palette. It's just my favorite palette, you know, when it comes to highlighters. I also do like the foundation and concealer palette. It is very usable for me. There's not a lot of products that I can say that I would definitely go ahead and repurchase. I really do love the highlighter and the foundation concealer palette. Those work really well for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.